Hello dear traders, in today's video we would be covering my recent trades and their breakdown, like what were the logics, what were the setup, what was my strategy, everything. Okay, so let's get started. So this was my most recent trade. It was a 1:3, happily 1:3. Like it was basically an OB trade, like this was an order block. Okay, let me show you how it is an order block. You can spot an inducement level here. Let me mark it for you. Let's name it 15-minute inducement. Okay, so this was inducement level. So this is our most recent FVG from the pullback. So this was our fair value gap. Here you can see, so the candle above the FVG, we call it order block. Okay, so this was our OB. When price retraces here, I took an entry and booked my 1:3. Simple. The second one is basically 330 to 8 entry. I just love 330 to 8 entries. Like you can spot this setup like almost every day. Like you can take this entry almost every day and print money. Like see, let me tell you how we take this entry. Just mark 3:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. So price makes a range. Okay, this range is formed here, and you just need to spot some POIs, like the range between 3:30 to 8. Mark it, spot some POIs and just enter. Okay, so you can see the 3:30 to 8 range. We can see a POI like the FVG. Here's a fair value gap here. Okay, so price retraces here, we took an entry, like 1:2 booked. Like that's simple. Like this is a most simple strategy. If you guys are not aware of it, you guys are lagging behind. Okay, so make sure you comment on this video that you want a separate video on 3:30 to 8 entries, so that I can make it for you. Okay, so let's move forward. And I know you guys were just waiting for this one, like oh, I know that you guys are waiting for this, so let's cover this as well. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere before teaching you guys this entry. Okay, before telling you guys this one. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So you guys can clearly spot an inducement level. It is an 1 hour inducement level. Basically what happens is, this is my personal observation, like whenever market grabs the liquidity of the inducement level and there are no order blocks and FVG closer to the inducement level, then market will grab the liquidity and just move. Like if there are order blocks and fair value gaps near the inducement level, then price will definitely retrace on the order blocks and FVGs. But if there are no FVGs and order blocks lying out there, so price will just grab the liquidity and move upwards or downwards wherever the trend shows. Okay, so here you can not see any FVG or order block here. So see, this was a inducement level. Price took the liquidity, like price grabbed the liquidity here. Okay, and just moved upwards. And I hope you all guys might be knowing how to enter an inducement level trade. See, what you do is, like this is in 1 hour inducement level, so just shift to the 1 minute time frame. Check if there is an MSS there. When you see an MSS, check that there is a POI, like if you can spot an FVG or an OB, when price retraces there, just enter and book your profit. Okay, so these were my most recent gold trades. Like I covered 3 trades in this video, and in the upcoming video, like I will be posting regularly now. Like I will be posting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Like I will be posting every day, so make sure you don't miss my videos, so that you don't miss this trade logics. Okay, like I know only a few YouTubers post their logics and all, because no one wants you to move ahead of them. Okay, I will be back with another video. Until then, keep trading, keep booking your profits. All right.